Hey folks, Jay Steckervets from Underhill Forge. I just wanted to give a really quick update on our tracking status here on our Hell's Kitchen mod kit and our Grizzly G1015 grinder. Many thanks to YouTube user Batlin Bill, who gave me a really nice suggestion in the comments, and I gave it a try, and sure enough, it worked. So come a little closer and we'll take a look at it. Here's our idler wheel, and I'm just taking a roll of black electrical tape and we're applying it on and keeping it straight. I'm spinning it with my right hand. We're going around one time, and then one more rotation should give us about the extra rise that we need to create the proper crown. I went a little past, then I'm just going to trim it off with a razor knife. Press it down. This will flatten down more as it's actually being used. We put our belt on to test fit. Make sure everything is fairly aligned to begin with. Then turn the grinder on, adjust our tracking, and you can see that that belt is exactly where we want it to be. Anytime that we have a flat belt running against a flat wheel, we're going to end up having tracking issues. Now the Grizzly G1015, the idler wheel is slightly crowned, but in this instance, at least for our mod kit use, it's just not enough of a crown. So by adding 2 layers of electrical tape around the center of that idler wheel, we create a crown of a few thousandths more, and it really helps with the tracking. You'll notice that this sort of crowning is used on other sorts of equipment as well. It used to be very, very popular around the turn of the century with things such as power takeoff shafts and line shafts in factories. They were using a lot of leather flat belts, and anytime that you have a flat belt, when it starts spinning, you start stretching out one side a little bit more than the other, and that's where our tracking goes off. But by increasing that crown on there, it helps keep everything centered, just like a V-belt or a V-pulley would do. But in this instance, we can't use a V-pulley because we need our belt to remain flat. Anyway, thanks again for Batlin Bill. Really appreciate your comment. All credit goes to you, man. This really was a very quick fix, and it works great with this mod kit from Hell's Kitchen Tools. Thanks again, guys, for watching, and we look forward to bringing you some great videos here in the near future. Stay tuned.